We have another one. This is from Dustin. Dustin actually has some follow-ups, just a couple of comments, but he writes, I have a 2020 GTX 170. I'm doing the carbon seal, so the pump is off. I noticed the impeller blades have a slight pitting of corrosion. 95 hours in salt water only. Is this bad? He's talking about the pitting.
So yeah, those are cavitation burns, those little pumps and that engine, I mean, you just run the piss out of that thing and the water just, eats the stainless. It's amazing, but the water is aerated and it is very abrasive. So eventually it'll end up eating a hole right through it. So it's not that you can get rid of it. But yeah, it's probably a maintenance thing where you want to, try to take care of it before it gets too bad.
So what would you, in regards to maintenance, you would suggest?
You would either send it in and we would repair it. Again, we would probably make sure that the pitch is adequate for what he's doing, and then weld up the outside diameter, weld the burns up, another 95 hours, they'll be back. So it's kind of interesting. And I don't know the complete answer of why it doesn't happen to all of them, but it does happen to a majority of them.
Right. Okay. Very good. He did comment. He goes there. Let's see here. Just small spots like rust, sharp blade edges. They look good. So yeah, it's going to be cavitation burns like you described. I mean, again, this is all from naked eye observation, and we know that you are far more studious when it comes to observing damage and wear. So. But that's good. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.